This is Matt, and this will be a short video on how to access Claude Opus. So I'm right here in my Anthropic Claude account. Once you're logged in, you'll see something similar at the top here. It says back at it Matthew right here at the top. We've got our usual place where we put our prompts. You know, we can select files and such and skills and things there, connectors, and we've got all our previous conversations up on the top left. Now, by default, at least for me, my Claude is giving me Sonnet 4.6 as the default model here. All we need to do to select Opus is to hit this drop down, and then we have all of the options here. So Sonnet is selected by default. We've got Haiku right here. The new model just recently released, Fable 5, is at the top right here. But to select Opus, which it says is the best currently for complex tasks, we can hit Opus 4.8 right here. And we are now using Opus 4.8 high, as you can see indicated here. So we will put our prompt here. So obviously, whatever questions you want to ask, whatever prompt you want to put in here, you are now speaking with the Opus 4.8 model. If you want to change that back to Sonnet or any of the others, you just hit that drop down there again. But it's as simple as that. You hit the drop down and set Opus, and you're now using Opus. So whether you're new to Claude or whether you're just not aware, you need to select the model. By default, it probably won't indicate Opus right there. You will need to select it. So you can't just come straight into Claude, I'm saying, and just start using Claude and expect it to be Opus. You need to manually select your model right here. So hopefully you found this video useful and informative. If you have, drop the video a like and subscribe to the channel for more videos just like this.